Oh, that's one. That's one. What do you guys think? New PB. We don't have the scale, but... Welcome back, you guys, to another At Heart episode. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for clicking on this video. In today's episode, we are going to go fishing. Yes, fishing, finally. I know it's been a couple weeks since I uploaded a video. I've been super busy, but I'm gonna try to get a video out every single week, at least once a week. So stay tuned for that. You're gonna wanna subscribe right now so you can get your weekly video, hit that bell notification, and just become part of the family, you know? Just get at heart with us. So we're gonna get out to the water and get to fishing. Let's go, guys. All right, guys, there we go. Ooh, almost fell in the water. Got one on the rattle trap there. As we got him on. Not too bad as soon as they hit the water. Wish I would have had the GoPro, but GoPro batteries are dead, so that's one. Try to get another one. Let's get really nice release here. Look at that fish. Oh, he's biting me. That was cool. There we go, guys. Got him on the Bills Lose knocking trap. Casted it out there. As soon as it hit the bottom, we just slurped it up. We're gonna get back out there and see if we can get some more. Oh, they're out there.
Dude, that life hack is so freaking true.
Which one?
Hit the bottom of the rod whenever your hook's on your line.
Did it work?
Yeah.
I haven't tried it yet.
I just didn't.
Oh, that's one. That's one. Oh. Stay down, stay down. He's barely hooked, barely hooked. Now he hooked himself real good. Whew. There you go, guys. Number 2 on that Bill Lose little knocking rattle trap. Thing is fire. Yeah, definitely gonna have to get some more of those. I've already liked the Bill Lose traps for a while, but I've just never really thrown them a lot. There you go, guys. What do you think? Let's get the release. Dude, these little guys are fighting. Jeez, that's crazy, you guys. That time I got him, I was casting it out to let it fall to the bottom, and then like ripping it back up, letting it fall, and then ripping it back up. And as soon as you kind of rip it back up, they're kind of just nailing it today. Whew, jeez. Oh, we'll see if we can get a couple more for you guys. It's that same one, the old little Bill Lose rattle trap. Whew. That's crazy, you know. Well, if you guys are liking what you're seeing here, you better give it a thumbs up. We're out here working hard, been out here all day fishing. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, because you know you're gonna want to see more videos like this. So stay tuned. Geez, that's crazy. Alright, so we're hooked up, guys. Throwing that shrimp rattle trap, and it's gone. It's gone. Came off. Never mind. Cut. Do over. Let me get back out there. Well, that was fun. Look at that. On the whopper plopper. I guess they don't lie, right? Crazy, you guys. No joke. what, third cast, I bet you? Third cast. What do you guys think? New PB. We don't have the scale, but I'd say that's bigger than 3.4 pounds. I don't know about you. All right, let's get him back in the water. Oh, this is a beautiful fish. Where were you hiding at, guy? Look at that thing. Look at that. He just takes off. Look, gone. That's crazy.